Hi everyone, my name is Kevin and welcome back to Zach Lane Records. Today, I'm here to unbox and have a quick review of the Gateron Switch Puller. Is it really worth the 1,000 peso price tag? Let's find out! This video isn't sponsored by them and I bought this with my own money, so my opinion is 100% unbiased. Shout out to Dopamec for having this on stock. So the puller is kept in this sealed and neat looking box with Gateron branding everywhere. It comes in a variety of colors to choose from. Personally, I went with the black one because I think it looks cleaner, but I'm sure the rest of the colors are nice too. On the back side of the box, you'll see the available colors and contact information for Gateron. This is also where it will indicate what color the switch puller is. Now look at that. Look how fresh that looks. The puller not only looks clean but feels premium too. Well, it should be, as it does cost a lot of money for just an accessory. The switch puller has a metal housing and only has one Gateron logo on it, keeping the minimalistic look. It has a Gateron clear switch with a red keycap on top that acts as an ejection button. You'll see what I mean further in the video. It has two prongs that clip onto the switch and a button type actuator that once it hits the stem of the switch will lock onto it and allows the user to slowly pull it out from the board. I think it'd be better to show you guys what I mean. Say hello to Cookie again. We will be using the GK64XS as our hot swappable board of choice. Now, let's see how the puller works in action. See how easy that looks? Of course, when you do it for the first time, you will slightly hesitate, especially if you're like me, who wants to keep things from getting damaged. You can also see what I meant with the ejection button. Once you push on the keycap on top of the puller, it will release the switch with a not so strong force, but strong enough to send your switches flying. This is how it looks like when the switch puller has the key switch locked onto it. Here are my overall thoughts. Pros: the Gateron Switch Puller has an awesome and premium quality build. It ensures the hassle-free and safe removal of the switches, which helps in preventing unnecessary scratches or damages to your plate and/or case. The last part is from my testing, and I already handle my boards carefully as it is, so this may vary. For the cons, it cost 1,000 pesos, which can be added to the funds for buying new switches, cases, and many more. You can save up and just buy an IC puller that would cost you a little over 100 pesos, depending on where you get it. The downside of the IC puller is the tendency for you to accidentally scratch the plate and possibly the case when removing switches, especially on the side of the board. So, should you buy this? It really depends. In my opinion, I can say that the Gateron Switch Puller is a nice to have accessory, especially if you're like me who would want to keep his or her keyboard's plate and case relatively scratch free. This is definitely a great buy and I would personally be using this for my hot swappable builds. But if you really don't mind the scratches, I strongly suggest buying an IC puller instead. So that's my take, everyone. Did I help you guys in deciding whether to buy this or not? Would you buy this? Let me know down in the comment sections below. Please like this video if you like this. If not, let me know why, and subscribe for more mechanical keyboard related videos or other videos related to my hobbies soon. Thanks again, see ya!